Hey there, welcome to Funny Math Channel. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of algebra by solving for x like a pro. Let's dive in. In algebra, solving for x means finding the value of x that makes the equation true. Example, x plus 3 equals 7. What number plus 3 equals 7? Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. Subtract 3 from both sides. Let's solve 3 more examples. You can solve it yourself if you want. Example 1, x3 equals 12. Step: addition 3 from both sides. Example 2, 3x equals 12. Step: divide both sides by 4. Example 3, x2 equals 6. Step: multiply both sides by 2. Multi-step equation. Equation: 2x plus 3 equals 11. Step 1, subtract 3 from both sides. Step 2, divide both sides by 2. First, get rid of the constant. Then, deal with the coefficient. Remember, keep your equation balanced, use opposite operations, and go step by step. Thanks for watching. Try finding the slope between 2 points on your own and drop your answers in the comments.